How to add a Visa gift card to Roblox. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So if you want to use your Visa gift card on Roblox, this video shows you how. It's important to follow each and every step to make it work. So first of all, you need to go to roblox.com and log into your account. This method currently only works on computers. So next, click on the settings icon in the top right corner of your screen. Go to settings. Now once the page loads, click on Payment Methods that you will find between Notifications and Subscriptions option. Once you're in this page, finally click on the Add button. Once you do that, you will see a list of accepted credit and debit cards. Enter your card number in the first field, your expiration date, and your CVV code as well. Go ahead and enter your billing address, your full name, your country, your address line, and everything. And after entering all the information, click on Save, which is highlighted in black color in the bottom, and that's it. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment below. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.